Welcome to raigurkul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to see and configure audit log in Atlassian Jira. When we are using Jira, it's always required to manage or check the audit logs whenever anything wrong happen. So for tracking this type of issues, it's always required to verify the audit logs or set it up early before starting of the project. So we'll see here how to check and customize our audit log in Jira. If you want to learn Jira from scratch, please watch my complete Jira playlist so that you can understand from scratch. If you're visiting this channel first time, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Coming back to the audit log management, let's say we are working on particular issues. So let's say we have this issues and someone by mistake they have deleted it or intentionally they have deleted any of the items which is important for us. That time we need to check the audit log. So probably if you want to track it, then we want to verify who has deleted this and what was the intention behind it. So in audit log, we'll be able to see easily so that the user who has deleted or performed any actions, we will be able to understand who did this activity. Another thing, let's say we want to verify the user related tracking activity. What the user is doing on the regular basis in Jira and if that person are properly using or not. In that case, we are verifying audit log. Third case, let's say we have an audit activity and inside the audit activity, we want to verify it. The number of users or account which is exist, are they really using or not? So in that case, we will be able to understand how many licenses we are wasting on the yearly basis. So if that user is inactive from beginning of the month and they have not even used this Jira account, then why we can purchase this account for them? So that is again, there are a lot of many cases which is required to verify inside the audit logs. So let's see here how we can check it. So for doing this, we need to have premium account for setting up the Jira or license account on Jira, and administrator will be able to do it according to permission level, but totally differs depending on the organization structure how they are giving the permissions for user to verify and check the audit log. But audit log is the functionality of license version or premium account. Since beginning, I have did several activities that is tracked here. Let's say I'm creating a one solutions or user story inside my project. So if you can see here, as of now, last activity which I performed at 12:33 a.m. on 18th of September and created plan, updated the plan. Whatever actions I'm doing in the summary sections, I will be able to see updated, created, deleted. Now, when I will create one more, so let's say I'm creating user story test for audit. So this time, let's say I'm adding a bug. Now I want description is mandatory. Then this is a defect for test. Now let me create it. Now this defect has been created, but when I will refresh this page, I will be able to see my audit log generated here. I think this will take some time. Let me jump into this page and then return it back. So generally for checking out the audit logs, it will take some time to be reflected, which we can see it, whatever actions I will perform and what time and date, then the author name who has did it means the person detail, event category in which sections, then what I did it actually updated, created, deleted, then I moved anything. So all the informations will be available under which sections. So object name will be also there. Actions, if I want to see the complete detail, about this actions, then also it will be available. And what is my IP address? So these details are here. Now even we can see it according to our setup or the customized label of the actions. So how many data we are storing, that's totally depending on the size of our instance. Now if we want to see audit log settings, so in audit log settings, in this account we are managing for 1 month. Even we can increase it to 3 or 6 months, totally depending on our requirement. And if we want to hide external user directory, that is also possible. So in audit log setting we can update it according to our need. Then audit log documentations, if we want to verify the audit log documentations, that is also there. We can check it according to the availability of the system. So this is how we can verify the audit log and customize it according to our need. So we have, it's not yet updated. So probably it is triggering in 10 minutes of the span, which we can check it here how many time it's taking to be updated. So this is the detail. Time is not here at what time, so probably within the 10 minutes that data will be updated, because before few minutes I've did this and this information is available. I'm trying to refresh which I've created just now, that data is available or not, but still it's not showing. So probably in another 10 minutes that data will be updated. So even if we want to export this complete log, we can click on export and this information will be exported in zip format. So we can also extract it into CSV. So here we have the complete detail in CSV format. Now we can see any details regarding the audit, like this operations like name, ID, IP, and date. So these are the informations which is available for audit log for tracking the individual being activity inside our Jira project or inside our Jira instance. So this is how we can customize and verify the audit log in Jira. Hope you enjoyed the thing. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.